All right, you guys, this is a special gift that I'm making for D Diets. The heart, that's all that matters. She always ends her videos saying that. And I wanted her to know that I love her from the bottom of my heart for all that she do for us YouTubers in the comment sections. And yes, your paragraphs and your books are truly appreciated. I love reading your comments. Not only that, is that because of those comments, I went in my comment section and I put in everybody that has put in at least within the last couple of months, at least 4 to 10, maybe even 15 comments. And of course you excel that. And there was a couple of other ones that were in the running for that number as well. But I wanted to do this for the content creators. And your name was drawn. So you now have your own board. And I hope you appreciate this. Is from the heart, from PromoSTK, to show my appreciation for you being in my comment section and being a cheerleader in my corner as I journey through these YouTube streets. So again, thank you very much. And anybody that's out there, if you guys have not been over to D Diet's channel, y'all go check her out. She's an awesome content creator. She also has a dog named Buddy, which he's a talking bichon. And y'all go check them out and show them some love. I'm showing you my love because this is made from the heart, D Diets. Thank you very much. And I'm just going to take you guys through a walk on how this board got created. The whole process to the end. Just the highlights of each step that was completed. Hope you enjoy. And hit me up in the comment section below and let me know how you like this board for D Diets. And also go over and check her channel out. And also Buddy's channel.